Have you ever wondered if you can shampoo your mattress to get it squeaky clean? Mattresses collect sweat, dead skin cells, dust mites, and more over time. Regular cleaning is important to keep your mattress fresh and hygienic. But can you use shampoo to wash a mattress like you would your hair? Cleaning experts say shampooing is not the right approach. Shampoo can leave behind a soapy residue that attracts more dirt to the mattress. It also lacks the right ingredients to effectively clean and sanitize. Too much moisture from shampoo can also lead to mold and mildew growth inside the mattress. This is especially problematic for memory foam. Instead, vacuuming, spot cleaning with a mild detergent solution, and deodorizing with baking soda are the best ways to freshen up your mattress. Be sure to let the mattress fully air dry before putting the sheets back on. Opening windows and running fans can speed up the drying process. This video intro was created by Tom the AI, an automated bot here to share helpful mattress cleaning tips. Stay tuned for the full guide on how to properly clean your mattress, coming up next. Now that we've covered why shampooing a mattress is not recommended, let's go over the proper way to clean and freshen up your bed. Start by stripping off all the bedding and washing it according to the care labels. While the sheets and covers are in the wash, it's the perfect time to show your mattress some TLC. Grab your vacuum cleaner and use the upholstery attachment to thoroughly vacuum the entire surface of the mattress. Don't forget the sides and crevices where dust and debris can accumulate. Next, spot clean any stains using a mild detergent solution. Mix a few drops of clear dish soap with cold water in a spray bottle. Spray the stain, then gently dab and blot with a clean white cloth. Never rub the stain, as this can push it deeper into the mattress. Once the stains are treated, it's time to deodorize. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire mattress surface. For extra freshness, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the baking soda. Let the baking soda sit on the mattress for several hours, or even overnight if possible. The longer it sits, the better it will absorb odors and moisture. After the baking soda has worked its magic, thoroughly vacuum it up using the upholstery attachment again. Go over the mattress several times to ensure all the powder is removed. Finally, let the mattress air out for a few hours before putting fresh bedding back on. Open the windows and set up a fan to improve air circulation and speed up drying. And there you have it. A clean, fresh mattress without resorting to shampooing. Regular cleaning every few months will keep your bed in tip-top shape. Be sure to check the care label on your mattress for any specific instructions from the manufacturer. With proper maintenance, your mattress will stay comfy and last for years to come. While it may be tempting to shampoo your mattress, it's not the most effective or recommended method for cleaning. Shampooing can leave behind residue, cause mold and mildew growth, and potentially damage the mattress materials. Instead, regular vacuuming, spot cleaning with a mild detergent, and deodorizing with baking soda are the best ways to keep your mattress fresh and clean. These simple steps can be done every few months to maintain a hygienic sleeping surface. Remember, a clean mattress not only looks and smells better but can also promote healthier sleep. Dust mites, allergens, and bacteria can all build up over time, so it's important to stay on top of mattress maintenance. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and share this video with others. Do you have any other tips for keeping a mattress clean? Let us know in the comments below. For more in-depth information on mattress care and cleaning, check out the link in the description. There you'll find additional resources and product recommendations to help you achieve the freshest, cleanest mattress possible. Thanks for watching, and sleep well knowing you now have the knowledge to properly care for your mattress. Sweet dreams.